Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use or install new Ledger device with Ledger Live. So here I'm currently at their official website, so you can also visit their website so you can watch this video. This is a 13-minute video, so if you want to watch this one, just go and visit this website. It's the support.ledger.com. So let's get started. So the Ledger Live application can be used with multiple Ledger devices. So you can either use multiple devices yourself or share a computer with multiple people, each owning a device. So here is a video instruction, so you can freely watch this one. So add accounts from multiple devices. So a Ledger device gives access to the crypto accounts associated with the 24-word recovery phrase that it was configured with. So devices with different recovery phrases, if you have set up multiple devices, Ledger Nano S Plus or the Ledger Nano X with different recovery phrases on Ledger Live, each device controls a different set of accounts. So in that case, you just have to follow these steps. First, add the accounts linked to the first device and repeat for the other device or devices. So name the account such as to know which device it belongs to. So assuming that you've labeled the device, and then always connect the device that controls the selected account when sending or receiving. So you can also read this one. So devices with the same recovery phrase. So if you've set up one device, Ledger Nano S Plus or the Ledger Nano X, and restored the same recovery phrase on another, both devices control the same accounts. So in that case, both hardware wallets can be used interchangeably with Ledger Live. So you can freely add accounts as well as verify and sign transactions with either of the two devices. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!